I've got sounds of shotguns pulled up on YouTube, and we're gonna go with that. It's a little bit different, and in many cases it's more intense for the animals, so I turned the volume back down. I don't want to increase the criteria from where they were when they were comfortable with fireworks. I want to start back at the beginning and build my way up. Again, the goal is to create positive associations all along the way. If we do get a little bit past their threshold, we just want to jump back down. So I'm going to go ahead and start this and see how they do at the volume that I've chosen. So that went pretty well. Kismet didn't really notice it, but Mojo did, and she seemed a little bit concerned. But she also looked to me right away for a treat. These ones are a little bit easier too, to time your treats with the actual sound of the guns going off. So there's some other background noise of getting the gun ready that doesn't really affect things. But I won't give a treat until another shot sounds. There was one. And neither dog really noticed that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up. And we'll just wait for another sound to happen. You can see the really relaxed body language, and that's something that you want to be paying attention to the whole time. Watch your dogs and see if their ears are relaxed, if their brow is furrowed. You saw Kismet notice that gunshot. And they don't really pay attention to the other sounds on there. They're more concerned about the gunshots, but there again, you can see they were having more of a positive association with it. So rapid sounds means they get more rapid treats. And we'll go ahead and take a break there.